Hey guys, is your text too boring in Kotlin and want to change its color? Well, no worries, in this video I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's first up simulate in Kotlin Playground and then I'll give you some tips so you can do it on Kotlin Android as well. So let's get straight to it. Now first up, simply open up kotlinlang.org and once you're there on the top right you can see this play icon right here. Simply hover on it and select Playground. Now you're in the Kotlin compiler where you can write and compile your codes. Now once you're there, just clear out everything you have, and this code right here you can copy this code simply. And once you've done that, and there you have it. This is just a simple simulation in Kotlin Playground. In Android, use XML or code to make it pop. That's how you color your word with Kotlin. This is simulated with ANSI codes. These codes you see are all ANSI codes. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.